This one was
Ready?
interesting. The wind was in the dog's face, should have been. She starts off, I don't know if this is distracted or just not in odor or what's happening here, but finally gets going. I thought she'd be on the wall, but she wasn't. Away from the wall, looking at me a little bit, engages. Then she starts using the corners, I think, ranging out again, using the corners. This hide was aged about 30 minutes or so. It's rainy, wet, but using the corners. It looks like to me like she's searching. Not sure whether she's in odor or not. I kind of doubt that she is. So then there's a vehicle on the other side of the dumpster, and unbeknownst to me, there's a person sitting in that vehicle. And when I notice that person sitting in that vehicle, I call her away from the vehicle. I didn't want them to open the door.
Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on.
She comes back, and look at this. She starts sniffing the ground again, right in front of that higher hide, that hide that's got a little bit of height on it. She starts sniffing the ground.
Yes,
And it
good
was
girl. Good girl. Very nice.